Hello and welcome to the Digital Marketing Insight channel, episode number 1. My name is Pranav Virani and I am a digital specialist at Communication Craft. This video is full of insights and strategy for business owners, marketing professionals, students, and anyone else looking to hone their current skills and get up to speed on the latest in digital marketing. Watch the full video to build or refine your digital marketing plan without the false start and misstep that come with doing it alone. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the art of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. When you get it to down, digital marketing is simply marketing. It's how today's businesses are getting their business in front of their best prospects and customers. Rule number one in the marketing is to make the right offer at the right time in the right place. Today's customers are online, hanging out in a social media, staying up to date on news sites and blogs, and searching online when they have a need. Digital marketing puts you in those same channels so your best prospects can see you, learn more about you, even ask questions to learn more about you and your product or services. If you are new to digital marketing, it may feel overwhelming to think about measuring all the online marketing tactics used in digital marketing. We get that. Yes, there are different tactics you need to learn, but they all work together to create a foundation for your businesses, attracting prospects, nurturing relationships, and making offers your audience will appropriate and respond to. Let's take a closer look at how that happens. How does digital marketing work? In many ways, digital marketing is no different than traditional marketing. In both, smart organizations seeks to develop mutual beneficial relationship with their prospects, leads, and customers. But digital marketing has replaced most traditional marketing tactics because it's designed to reach today's customers. Think about the last important purchase you made. Perhaps you purchased a home, hire someone to fix your roof, or change paper supplier at your office. Regardless what it was, you probably began by searching the internet to learn more about available solutions, who provided them, and what your best options were. Your ultimate buying decision was then based on review you read, the friends and family you consulted, and the solution, features, pricing you researched. Most purchasing decisions begin online. That being the case, an online presence is absolutely necessary, regardless of what you sell. The key is to develop a digital marketing strategy and that puts you in all the place your followers already hang out. Then using a variety of digital channels to connect with them in a multitude of ways. Content, social media, search engine optimization, advertising, email marketing. That's all are the different tactics of marketing. Content, talking about content to keep them update with industry news, the problem they are facing and how you solve those problems. Talking about social media, share the content and then engage with them as a friends and followers. Advertising to drive paid traffic to your website where people can see your offers. Email marketing to follow up with your audience to see your they continue to get solution they are looking for. When you put all these pieces together, they will end up with efficient, easy to operate digital marketing machine. And while it looks intimidating to build that machine from a scratch, it's as simple as learning and integrating one digital marketing tactics at a time. Which is why I am putting together this video to help you build or refine your own digital marketing plan without the forced starts and missteps that come with doing it alone. So, what are the benefits of digital marketing? Having a strong digital presence will help you in multiple ways. It will make it easier to create awareness and engagement both before and after the sales. It will help you convert new buyers into rabid fans who follow you buy more and more often. It will kickstart word of mouth, social sharing, and all the benefits that come with them. It will shorten the buyer's journey by presenting the right offer at the right place and at the right time. Learn the digital strategies that get the real result. Be aware the digital marketing scene is ever changing. Gurus, podcast, blogger declare a tool or tactics hot one week and dead the next. The truth is, digital marketing is less about digital and more about marketing, largely because digital marketing has come of age. Its fundamentals have already been established. In this video, my objective is to clear the confusion about the tactics that works and how to use them to grow your business. We stand firmly against the so-called gurus who promote the next shiny objects or quick fix that will reportedly kill email marketing, digital advertising, search engine optimization. Here it's all about the fundamentals. As you will see in my upcoming videos, the core 8 disciplines of digital marketing will be critical to your business growth today, tomorrow, for the years to come. Each of these disciplines will be covered in depth in each chapter of this ultimate guide to digital marketing as shown on the title. Digital marketing is a magic and you don't need to be computer based to be good at it. If you offer a product or service that market desire, you can successfully market them in a digital channel using the strategy taught in this guide. So this is the about the ultimate guide to digital marketing that doesn't present hype about the latest flashy tactics in the marketing uh, and otherwise. Instead, this video cover foundational disciplines such as content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, always in the context of the goal that businesses care. These goals includes acquiring your new leads and customers, monetizing the lead and customers you already have, and creating communities of brand advocates and promoters. What you will learn in each videos, I will cover 4 aspects of the strategy: method, metrics, lingo, and roles. Talking about the methods, the strategy and the processes you will use to create your plan and execute it in your business. This video will be bulky because it's a method, because in the digital marketing, how you execute a strategy is key. In this video, I will share the exact method that I used personally. The matrix, the number you will watch to measure your success and identify the area that need tweaking or are worth doubling down on. The lingo, the terminology used by experts so you can communicate intelligently even if you don't consider yourself a pro. The role, the people in your organizations who likely have responsibility for planning and running each digital marketing tactics, and I have organized this video in a logical progressions so you can jump around learning the tactics in whatever order you feel you need them. I recommend you watch step by step. Take your time, watch one video at a time, apply what you learn, and when you feel you have got the method up and running, move on to the next video. You will be surprised at how quickly you can implement. Okay, how you will surprised at how quickly you can implement this digital marketing techniques if you are focused on them one at a time. Then When everything is up and running, you can focus on moving to the next skill, moving your progress for the maximum growth. This is all about the covering process of each chapter. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.